Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery in your Audi A4 key fob. This easy method will have your key working again in no time. First, gather your materials: a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, as the components are small. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom of the fob. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should separate easily. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. Take your time with this step. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Pay attention to how it's oriented, usually with the positive side facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. It should fit snugly. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the case, making sure they fit together perfectly. Press them firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating the case is securely closed. Now, test your key fob's functions, like locking and unlocking your car, to ensure everything is working correctly. You've successfully replaced your Audi A4 key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.